Hi, this is Lisa Jundy. I am just touching base with you again about our workshop on the 18th at 6:30 p.m. On back pain and sciatica. We have 5 spots left that are open still, so those spots are filling up. So I just wanted to get the word out there again and make sure that if you are having back pain, that you get a hold of us and sign up for this workshop. I've seen, I don't know how many people go for years with, pain in their hip or back or side, and just some simple education and exercises and a little bit of manual therapy, and they were back to being able to walk and get around pain free. So I'd like to be able to help you. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, please click below and register for the workshop. Thank you.